I'm going to show you how, with one sentence, you can change your channel, business, or whatever you do to create income. Most people think building a powerful personal brand is some long, complicated, multi-year process. But what if you could nail it right now with just a single sentence? A sentence so clear and so powerful, it becomes a compass for everything you do, every piece of content you create, and every product you launch, making sure you never waste time or effort again. My name is Rob Jarrett, and with 15 plus years as an editor, producer, and coach, I have decided to launch this channel and build a brand and business for myself and share everything I learn with you. So let's get into it. If you've ever tried building a brand, then you know the chaos that is involved with it. You're told to be on every platform, every trend, post 24/7. Well, the result is that you are stretched way too thin and you're creating content that feels like you're just shouting into the void. You're busy, yeah, sure, but are you getting anywhere? I doubt it. So this is where all the frustration comes from. You pour your heart into something that you're very proud of and nothing. You attract followers and clients, but maybe they're the wrong ones. I'm certain they're the wrong ones unless you're focused. And they drain your energy. They beat you up over prices. And worst of all, you start to feel like that you're just playing a character. And that disconnect between who you really are and who you're pretending to be is the fastest path I know to burnout. So the problem isn't your work ethic, it's that you just don't have a filter. And that filter, that fix, is to stop thinking about branding as a dozen different tactics and platforms and start with one single foundational idea. The solution is a mission statement. I know, hold on, forget it. It's not some stuffy corporate jargon that you've seen on a plaque in a dusty lobby somewhere. A personal mission statement is your brand's North Star. It's an anchor that clearly states why you do what you do, who you do it for, and the change that you create for those people. It is the ultimate tool for making decisions. Look at Tesla. Their official mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. And that one sentence guides everything that they do. Should they make electric car? Yeah. Develop solar panels and battery storage? Well, absolutely. Should they launch a fast fashion clothing line? No, hell no. So every yes or no becomes very simple because it's filtered through that mission statement. And this is the clarity that you've been missing. So how do you build this mission statement for yourself? Well, it really boils down to just 3 simple steps. First, you find out what is your reason? What is your why? And this is the engine of your brand. It's not about what you do, but why do you do it? And why does it matter? And what problem out there makes you genuinely angry? What change do you want to create? Patagonia's mission statement is, we're in business to save our home planet. Their why is environmentalism. And it is so powerful that people will buy their jackets and their clothing just to be part of that mission. And then second, define your specific who. Being a generalist makes you unforgettable, but being a specialist makes you a magnet. You can't help everyone. So who specifically are you here for? And the more precise you get, the more your message will resonate. Don't just serve some small businesses, serve bakers. Bakers who are amazing in the kitchen, but struggle to market their shops online. Chris Dew of the future has a mission to teach 1 billion creatives how to make a living doing just that and what they love. That specificity is why he attracts the perfect audience, and he repels everyone else that he doesn't need or want. Third, articulate your unique how. This is your secret sauce. It's your personality, your method, your magic. How do you solve the problem for your specific who? Do you use tough love, geeky data, a powerful metaphor? CX and UX consultant, her name is Debbie Levitt. She calls herself the Mary Poppins of CX/UX, and she flies in to fix problems and make magic happen. And that single memorable phrase instantly tells you her unique approach, and it makes her unforgettable. I know that putting these three pieces together can feel a little bit tricky, but to make it super easy for you, I've created a free one-page worksheet that walks you through these steps in a very simple and exacting process. And you can download it using the Creator Kickstart Kit in the link below. Lots of good stuff in there, lots of extra stuff. So your mission statement combines these elements into one single powerful sentence. I help who achieve what by using my unique how. And this one sentence is your brand's filter. It gives you the confidence to say no to distractions and the clarity to go all in on the opportunities that truly matter. So stop trying to build a brand out of a million complicated pieces and start living your mission. And if this strikes a chord with you, subscribe, comment, and become part of the community. And check out this video here for more in-depth content, and I encourage you to get a head start on your YouTube journey or any other journey. Download my free Creator Kickstart Kit in the description. And this information has saved me so much time and put me so much further ahead than I would have been otherwise. And I want to share it with you today. It's a huge help in getting started very quickly, and it is a free download right here, right now.